Okay.
Gotta wait to get it to its home screen.
Okay.
Then it should alarm out. Your servo's off, which is your seeing.
Okay.
Okay, now it's alarmed out.
Okay.
Alright. I start with reset.
Okay.
And I always go setting graph.
Okay.
And I page down. They got a door hold alarm, which I'm going to turn it back on, but I'll usually shut it off. Alright, then I'll just go memory current commands, and then zero return all. That's what zeroes the machine out.
Okay.
Start up.
Zero return all.
Yeah.
Okay.
Or you can either that, or you can hit power up restart. Everybody's got their own personal preference. And then it's homed out and ready to go. Just hit memory current commands, and you're ready to go on your program.
All right.
Turn it down so it won't be that bad. Okay, it'll run through the cycle, but it's going to be rather slow because I got the RPM so far down. Okay. So otherwise this thing will be whipping about 2,500 RPMs. What do I do to have the door open? Yeah, you ain't going to see much of this program though because it's only one tool. But like I said, without knowing exactly where I'm at, I don't really want to run any of the other programs.
Okay.
We don't want to crash them.
Nope.
A lot of the stuff runs really close to the chuck.
Okay.
That's perfect. No, I don't want to interrupt what you're doing here.
Well, you can turn it up a little bit if you want.
Yeah, I'd probably have to. I'd have to start over though.
Okay.
I'll just bring this back up to like 1,000, then it'll run a little quicker.
Yeah. Yeah, you can see it moving a little bit there. Is there a tool change in this, or you said it's only one tool?
This one, no.
Okay. I would like to see that if you can. Do just a tool change, and it doesn't have to be during the program.
Oh, moving the turret?
Yeah.
Everything on this machine should work fine.
Okay.
I'm primarily the one that's been running them the last 9 years.
Okay.
Or however long it's been. The last few years it's been kind of sporadic.
But everything's been running fine?
Yeah, this one,
okay.
They were all just serviced.
They were?
I think all the hydraulics. Just in the last month.
Okay.
In a moment here, it should zip back to home.
Yeah.
Okay, as far as turret-wise, we can just go to MDI.
Okay.
Reverse, forward.
Okay.